We like problems, because if you like problems, that means you like solutions. My name is Afika Soyamba. I'm the current CTO of Amafu. Amafu Technologies provides broadcast solutions and also dubbing services. We came into the space looking for a business that we can scale, and dubbing, it's not the easiest to scale, but we are up for the challenge, being able to do multiple languages, being able to work with multiple different OTT providers, and possibly employing thousands and thousands of people in the media space. We heard about VodaLend probably back in 2021 because of our system integration business. We then decided to go ahead when we had the dubbing project because of the sheer amount of resources that we needed. First thing was money, cash flow, to be able to just say, we'll kit all the studios, sign contracts with people that we want to bring. And if you don't have, reputation, credibility, then everyone basically doubts you. VodaLend plugged that gap for us. It provided credibility over and above the actual monetary value. I'm a person that likes technology, so first things that everything was done online, and the promise that you will get the money within, 24 hours. It was quick and seamless. We delivered the project. Now the account has been paid off, which was a huge achievement. We probably will go back. We like problems. We can do this thing again and again and again until we become this, big, well-known studio in South Africa. VodaLend's promise: let us live up to ours.